how to add yarn to your crochet project. Just crocheting along. Oh no! Oh, we need more yarn. Bye bye. Got to take some of this out so I have enough to work with. Make my loop larger. Reinsert my hook. Don't forget you need a tail. And this is the loop over method. You just loop it over your hook, reposition your hand, and you pull it through your loop. Tighten it up a little bit. You have these strings you can weave in or you can crochet over them. Just continue crocheting with your stitches. Go into your next stitch. And keep those strings gathered up tight next to it and put them on top of the stitch that you were making. And that way, when you continue crocheting, they are now crocheted into your project. And that way they won't unweave. And it looks good on the back side and the front. Our main focus here is not what stitches that we're doing, so I'm not worried about you seeing those stitches. Oh, there's another way. This you can use for a color change or to add new yarn to your project. Lay down your remaining yarn, add your tail for your new yarn, and lay them side by side. Ta-da! Tie one end of the two yarns together. Just a basic knot. And tie the other end of the two yarns together. Just a basic knot. Grab the new end and the old end and pull them together until the knots meet. Yeah, this is called the magic knot, fisherman's knot, and the sliding knot. The sliding knot they use with jewelry a lot. Then you just continue crocheting. And my yarn was splitting. Let's try that one again. Now you'll see it right there. That's our new knot. The new yarn is already connected. You're ready to just continue crocheting. Now the little short tails that are now on the yarn that's combined, you can clip or you can weave those into your project. I'm going to go ahead and clip mine in just a moment. That knot is a really secure knot. It has two knots together. I don't clip it super close, but it's not visible. I'm inspecting my work. It all looks great. It's smooth and it's even. Your session 3 project is to crochet 12 chains. Don't forget to leave a tail. And then leave a tail at the end of those 12 chains and clip it off with your scissors. And then reconnect that yarn to your new yarn. After you have reconnected your yarn, chain 1 and then single stitch over your chains. Practice both methods until you're comfortable with them.